Danke bafethu. Welcome to Nkuli Soccer. Namhlanje ngiphethele umuntu obaluleke kakhulu ebholeni lase South Africa, umuntu onama memories amakhulu bafethu. Phethele the one and the only. All you need is love. Lerato Shabang.
Nkululeko mfethu. Ngiyabonga mfethu for ukungibiza lana mfethu. Hayi. Yeah.
So namhlanje ufuna ukubatshela nje abantu ukuthi but ngifuna sibuyele emuva before sibatshela ukuthi wenzani kwenzakalani, but ngifuna siqale le phansi ukuthi le ndaba le yaqala kuphi yabo. Asithathe straight to maybe kwe-Europe ukuthi kwenzakalani e-Europe, ewazithola ukuphi ngoba bekune chance ukuthi singakuboni ku-PSL uqalele phezulu.
Yeah, ngambili ngisasemncane yeah. Yeah, I had a good trip from go Super Sport under 17. That's when ngabona ukuthi hayi kuma academy ngoba azange ngadlala kuma academy. Ngalo ku under 17 Super Sport, and then after that ngaya ku tax ePitori.
Sure.
And then Pitori, that's when it started everything ukuthi hayi ibhola thing lithathe serious. Then ngahamba ngibuya na ku Chelsea, ngibuya na ku Charlton, and ngibuya na Udinese. So yeah, and then ithe vele mangihamba lapho vele sengithola ama call up ku under 20.
Okay.
Yeah.
So asiqale kuphi la waqala ukuya khona, is it maybe boma Chelsea, Charlton or lapha ku Udinese or yakhona?
No, ngiqale ku Chelsea.
Okay.
Sihambe basithathile C4 abo Robin Johannes, uZondo Mzondayo, and then no late uSibusiso. So saya lapha ku Chelsea sathola abo late Jeffrey Ntuka bangani abo Masina, abo boy. So yeah, we had like lapho experiences I thola lapha, it was marvelous. So ngisho ngathi I used to, if ngathola opportunity enjalo
Ungakwazi ukudlala khona.
So yeah, and then ngahamba ngaya ku Charlton, and then yeah, for 2 weeks, and then I came back ngathi I think sebenza kanzima ukuthi maybe opportunities ayaza ngaya uDinese, and then yeah bekumele ngicale lapho ke yangithola manje it was tough man, language, and then nokudla man bese ngilala ngama pizza kuphela every time pizza pasta yayibona. So that journey really iyabanzima, and then ngathola ukuthi ithe mangithola call up under 20 hayi azange sabuyela.
So uthawuzanga okay, so usuke eItaly ngoba kunobunzima bakhona.
Kunobuzima bakhona iweather four season a day. Abantu makunemvula mina ngigcoka iboom jacket, ngiyojima kanjani ngeboom jacket. So it was tough, that experience enzima kakhulu.
So lapha eItaly baku-offerani wenzani khona ku academy ku reserve ukwenzakalani, and then bakuthembisani bona njengoba wena uthi so ufuna ukubuya la eSouth Africa?
Into abangithembisa yona ukuthi ngifefule iphupho lami. So yeah, zanga kwaba difficult ngoba after training I have to go ufunda Spanish, Italian. So it was tough.
Yeah.
And after that I have to go back endlini ngiyi-1, I'm bored. And then ngapha mangithi ngiyafona ngapha eSouth Africa kusebusuku ngale kusemini, so communication it was tough. So I had to ukuthi vele ngibuye ngapha.
So nawe one of the players esingasho ukuthi bahlulekile le ukusurvive lifestyle yakhona because of bakhona abadlali abaningi bathi abakwazanga ukusurvive ko Netherlands because of bakhumbula amalokishi. Ungasho ukuthi maybe wena because of maybe ukhulele esiphithini, so uyabona ukuthi lapha ngiyi-1 man bangidlisa ama pizza labantu.
And phela uhlala uwazi ukuthi phela mina ngibuye eKasi.
Sure.
Nesilungu naso sinzima. So how I'm gonna learn Italian and then English ngapho ayikakabi perfect. So yeah, it was tough. Ngoba nabo Italian abafuni ukukhuluma English.
Unangaki ngaleso sikhathi because of uthatha ama decisions amakhulu ukuthi I would rather go back to South Africa? Unangaki ngaleso sikhathi?
I was 18, 19 somewhere there. It was 98, 99. So it was tough. That's tough.
But kusho ukuthi bo special. I mean, if khona ama-Italians abona something, ngoba i-technique yase-Italy ngikhumbula aboPhilo, abo Del Piero, like abo Totti, abo Tony, ama-players are good that time e-Italy. If wena bayakubona as umfana wase-South Africa, man, there's something about lo muntu lo.
Yeah, nawe boyibona ukuthi ikhona lapha. So it was tough, man. Yeah, ngibone khona ukuthi let me come back to South Africa and then let me work hard. Uyabona. Ngoba lapha bengana guidance lento into ezinjalo. So it was like difficult for me.
Uyabuya eSouth Africa ubuyela kuphi?
Yeah, ngibuyele ku taxi and then that's when sithola i-promotion ku taxi. Vodacom to MTN, and then that's when ama-team amaningi so wangifuna, and then just Sundowns yaba ne-deal right ne-tax ngoba besi-2 lapha basithathe si-2 yimi noRobin Johannes, and i-contract yakhona ungamangala ukuthi ngisayine kuphi.
Usayine kuphi contract?
Bengise Cape Verde besambile ngebafana besidlala iConsafa.
Okay.
And then i-window period beyivala ngapha eSouth Africa. So into eyenzakala i-taxi ke ya-terminate i-contract yami mina noRobin Johannes, and then sasayina safexa, and then mangibuya ngapha ayethi ukuthi ngisayine i-deal e-right ne-Sundowns. Mara lapha sekunama-agreement but ukuthi manje sithembe i-contract vele uthiwa vele sesi ama-player we-Sundowns, and arrive lapha ku-Sundowns there were bigger names.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah.
Uthola bani-ke njengoba ukhuluma ngama-bigger names aku-Sundowns, uthola bani mawufika ku-Sundowns uyabona na ukuthi ngathi kuzoba nzima ukuthi ukwazi ukudlala laphana kuma-Mamelodi Sundowns?
Into eyangitshela yona ukuthi bekunama-bigger team, uMtsepe basaceda ukuthatha i-Sundowns.
Oh, a billionaire.
So yeah. And then manje kunabo Peter Ndlovu, abo Brian, abo Surprise Muriri, abo Simba, abo Mancoba. So you name them. And then I have to work hard, but just lapho kuyenzakalani, most of the players bebalimele. And then but one day sidlala neCosmos HMP, and then bathi camp ngathi yo nayi opportunity ngathi esenathi nje bangifaka nje, I have to do my job. And then lucky says vele ngakora against Cosmos besidlala bekuyi league or bekuyi SA8. Yeah, so ngadlala ngakora 2 goals, and then since then ngazange ngisaphuma. Sabuyela futhi sadlala icup against Cosmos ngakora 2, and then vele iphupho lami vele lacala lapho. Since vele sengigrepha vele starting lineup.
So njengoba uthe ama-senior players or ama-player amaningi bewadila ngama-injury, ingakho umncane uyafika ku-Sundowns uthole i-opportunity ukuthi ube khona ukuthi ukwazi ukudlala, and then uyaziprova. But-ke ukuziprova kwakho uhlalile laphana ku-starting 11 baqala ukukuthemba. Mawabuya lama-player lawa amanye kwenzakalani ngawo?
You know, kumele balule position yabo. And one thing yanginceda lapha, I was young, and then bekunama experienced players lapha, so they were pushing us. So that opportunity, it makes my job easy. Mabasipusha kanjalo, I have to do my thing, forget about what is happening outside.
Sundowns, and then so beniku position bani nilwela ini kwenzakalani?
No, lapha bebasaspila, and then thola ukuthi there were a lot of names, bigger names, and then Askakajedi, and then yeah. Since that day, coach beku Angel Cup. Okay. Yeah, and then Bamkosha, then he got fired, and then got our trotty, but take over. Ilawe lesesiqala ukuwina ama-trophy ke, ama-league. Yeah.
Wini league ne-Sundowns?
Yeah, ngiwina kayi-4.
Ne-Sundowns?
No, Sundowns ngiwina kayi-3, and then nge-Super Sport ngiwina kayi-1.
4.
And then the Nedbank,
sure.
I've got the trophy. Yeah. And then njengoba ngingawina ilo neSwailos,
i-MTN8
yeah.
khona yazi funny enough bengibukele something bebadlalisa ama-game lawa kudala khona la i-Chiefs inshaya khona kuma-penalty
Durban.
yeah
Yeah.
ngikubona kodwa uyafuna ukuyiwina bokwenza why boku-important ukuthi naniwine ama-cup bokwenzakalani maybe after ukuwina ama-cup why bowudinga kanje ngoba ngikubona lapha ku-touchline ubhizi ufuna ukuthi bakore labantu
I
laba
mean, it's any player or dreamayo. Any player is dreams to achieve something every season. It's very important. Maungena lapha, you have to give all your best. So besifuna le trophy le ngoba it was bemina everything.
sure
Na ku president naye bemina something ukuthi at least uyabona ngithole trophy.
because uPatrice Motsepe kuthiwa ayena vele uwina i-trophy even if wina 8 million or malini leyo mali share ama-player lo iqiniso elingakanani lo ngoba mina angicabanga ukuthi yonke imali ngaya kuma-player
Besishare yani management ngoba we all work there.
sure
So we have to share amongst ourselves in the club. So like ukuwina imedali, it means a lot as a player. That's a great achievement.
sure so ku-Sundowns isikhathi sakho siyafika ke ekugcineni ku-Sundowns siphela kanjani you moved to SuperSport bekuyindaba ezinkulu lezo ukuthi umuva ku-SuperSport
Lapho ngikho yini ukungazwani kahle ngoba my contract was coming to an end. So ukuthi by renew, I don't know what happened. And then I have to i-contract ambese duze nokuphela, so I have to take some decision. Ngasign a pre-contract in a SuperSport.
basibambe lapho ku-SuperSport usayine i-pre-contract is it because of i-SuperSport obvious ikunika maybe improved deal compared to le obuya kuyo yiyo one of the decisions ukuthi izinto ezakwenza ukuthi uthathe leyo decision ukuthi uye ku-SuperSport
Yeah, i-contract yami ike improve lapho, and then yeah mara ithe mabangilona i-Sundowns kumele kube nokuzwana ukuthi i-Sundowns izothola malini like every month i-contract yami kumele bayishare bahlanganisa imali ukuthi ngithole payment yami. So it was like that, and then yaqhubeka the whole season sawina league in SuperSport. Nini but bangifuna back. So that's when I went back to Sundowns. But 2 days, 3 days, I got injured.
yes
And then bathi the injury le angeke salo sekuphelile ngami.
so udila kanja 2000 sikuphi lapho uyalimala ku-Sundowns bathi i-career yakhe iphelile sikuphi lapho
And
which year was that
it was 2009. Before you World Cup,
Confederations Cup
2010.
yeah
So and then lapho azange ngadlali 20 World Cup. Because I was injured and my heart was painful.
sure
Ngoba bengikhona kulo kuma players squad. So if you awudlala i-tournament engaka yo yakulimaza.
Sundowns bathi i-career yakhe iphelile ngeke usabuya i-Sundowns i-cancel i-contract yakho
I-cancel i-contract yami.
from 2009 maba i-cancel
Yeah.
and then isikhathi esingakanani uyahlala awunamsebenzi awuna team lapho
Ngiyahlala lapho angina team. Mele manje ama investment amabhadala ama bills. Yo, it was yes. It was a year ukuthi what I'm gonna do. But ngibonga uNkulunkulu usalo waba nami, and then 2012 ila uGordon Illasini lapho athi I think we've got plan for you to continue in the career yakho. That's when it started everything.
2009 to 2012 awunamsebenzi
Anginamsebenzi.
and then abantu basakubekele ukupedestal ukuthi uLerato Shabang
Njalo uma ngiyobukela, we used to go ukubukela ama game we-World Cup some other house vele sihlangane lapha, but ntwana ngoba ukhona lapha ya, and then ibhlungu ngoba awuna ne-answer. Awuna ne-answer lapha, awazi ukuthi uphendule kanjani, yangithola. So yeah, just lucky that uGordon Illasini and then athi sizoyenza something.
Morocco Swallows
Morocco Swallows lapho ke besulula i-relegation i-Swallows, and then we survived, and then the next year Then yeah, I didn't look back. Cishe sawina ne-league.
Ngiyakhumbula nifinish number 2 Orlando Pirates ithatha. Yeah.
Pirates ithatha eDurban. Nathi besidlala neMaritzburg Yeah, so yeah, and then the next year uGordon aya kuBafana Bafana. Maka ya kuBafana Bafana and then mina ngasala kuSwahilus. And then we won AMTN 8. And then lapho yila solwela i-relegation nakhona kuSwahilus in that year.
So yini into collapse team? I mean, you survive relegation the previous season. The next season finisher is number 2. And then seniyabuyela futhi nilwela i-relegation futhi. Kwenzakalani ku Moroka Swallows behind the scenes? Maybe khona into affect ama-player ukuthi amanye ama-player yahamba because ba-add ama-players are good. All of a sudden team ngathi sokubonakala ngathi i-bit unstable. Bokwenzakalani?
Lapho ngeke ngitshele iqiniso ukuthi lapha kwenzakaleni ngoba amanye ama-player basalo bahamba baya ku abo David Mathebula, abo Chinene, baya ku Super Sport. And then yeah, I don't know, a lot has happened there. And then uthola ukuthi naye Swallows naye siluza ama-sponsor. So everything it was not all right. Ngoba nema-payment wethu it was late. Sometimes it was late. And then so uyabona sesiluza ne-focus. How I'm gonna survive again, mina ngibhadala amabhizi, izindlu nemoto, umntana esikolweni. So yeah.
So what we're getting from this conversation ukuthi iMoroka Swallows ayiqali manje ukuba neyinkinga zama-salaries. Niyezwa futhi licollapsile manje ngasikudala ngeyinkinga zama-salaries. Sikhumbula ukuthi uAndile Jali naye wayecomplaina but asikho lapho. Sifocus kundoda enkulu la. And then from iSwallows after lapho uGordon Ikisini uthi uya kuBafana Bafana. Ubuyela kuBafana Bafana again.
Yeah. I went back to Bafana Bafana. Yeah, everything was going all right. Bengisebenza kanzima. Yeah, I went back to performance yami. Yeah. And then things were signed pre-contracts and everything. I don't know what happened. Ngaluza i-focus ke lapho. Ngaleya content I was disappointed ukuthi angeke basangisayina lapha kuVezi. And they wishing sign a pre-contract. I don't know what happened with that contract.
Yeah.
And then I stood like maybe a month on a team, and then I went to Chipa United, and then yeah, a lot has happened there. And then I lose the focus with it. I'm a purchase wami, so I was frustrated.
So frustration yakhe kulidela kuphi? Kwenzakalani ma frustrated as a player because obviously now udila umuntu at the end of the day angithi udila nezinto ezidifferent eziningi ma lose the focus uthi kwenzakalani ngawo ma
lose phela ma usebenze kanzima ukuthi uthenge ube nezinto eziningi ozwisha ukuthi wonke umuntu ufuna ukuba nazo manje masozuluza kanjalo sengihambe iminyaka engaka so ngiluza ne focus ngisaconcentrate emsebenzini sebangibiza ngamagama man uyangithola sebangibiza ngamagama so I was like nami ithi ngiyeke le nto le thatheni isinqumo ukuthi athinge ibhola once and then lucky that bangifuna futhi event ekuChakuma then azange ngihlala isikhathi eside
with iChakuma lapho beyiku PSL noma beyiku National First Division
beyikumtsipe.
Okay.
So ilapho ke sengizuluza I didn't get paid until
wait kuChakuma okay asibambe la usigna years or usigna couple of
lapho
months
bengana contract just ukuthi lama months lawo they will give me money mara into bengichaza lapha bengihlala lapha bengidla lapha
sure
only ukuthi mangizala endlini like in December time nginamali so lokho umuntu wakhona lokho yangibaleka so ngathi ngisabuyeli and then kwaba ne team yakumtsipe ukuthi ibaberwa
okay
ibaberwa nje ngilapho singimuvela khona ke lapho kubaberwa and then lapho sahluleka ukuqualify ukuthola ama promotion ukuthi kuma playoffs mara mayicala isizini siba number 1 at the end sesi number 2 so yeah and then lapho ngastopa and then vele nayo vele baberwa vele yaba shut down that is why manje iGomora bekuyiyo i-owner yeBavero.
Baberwa besibona thina team yaku third division or yaku Vodacom but bekuyi team efancy usho ukuthi beyikwazi ukudonsa ama former players amaningi and then iwanika ama competitive salaries angconywana compared lesi yamanye ama team waku third division.
Yeah, lapho ke yilapho asazi ukuthi what went wrong ngoba ama ex players bekhona lapha you name us abomama yende abotsetsi mawo abomashamayiti uyasipala sibaningi lapha man sahluleka ukuthola ipromotion lapha ayila kwele base basithengisa status and then now yilaba sebazothola istatus seGomora same owner le Bavero.
After lapho ke kwenzakalani?
And then lapho vele azange vele ngamane nga retire until now, like I started last year kwaba nama legend iDitlhake mid legend manje sengibusy ngayo ngidlala khona lapha.
So nidlala nini kanjani niya trainer njalo every week izinto ezinjalo?
Yeah, like every week is a trainer twice a week and then ngama weekends siyadlala like chima ngama Tuesday Thursdays and then njenga this week coming this week isidlala i-top 4 yama legend and esibaningi lapha yama nakhona ama ex players sama legend ke vele lapho hayi simnandi.
Kusho ukuthi khona izinto enizikhipha busy ngazo. Kuyabonakala ukuthi niyalithanda ibhola to this day. Uke wasakhuluma indaba yokuthi khona ufuna ukungena even naku coaching kwenzakalani ngayo manje?
Angikhona lapho ku coaching ne D license. So I'm still waiting for ama founder manje ukuthi ngiye for EC. So nakhona lapho kulihlake keep up busy masiloku train and then kunama workshop esiwayenzayo. So yeah, ngoba sama ex players and sisalithanda ibhola sisenhlizweni yethu akunala singasebenza khona without fielding.
So wena into oyifunayo into ehlangene nebhola ukuthi ukwazi ukuphilisa whatever whether ucoach or usebenza behind the scenes but nje ufuna into ehlangene nebhola because that's the only thing okewayenza.
That's the only thing engayenza since in 40 years ayibhola kwami angaze ngasebenza factory hayi ngise grounding.
Makungathiwa i-retail iyaqasha wenza
yes sizothatha isikhathi yo phela basayongifundisa and then manje uthola ukuthi inhliziyo yami ayikho lapha but hayi if ungaba patient enough I can do it but ngi right la ngikhona lapha ukuthi
ihlake
yeah like ngathi ngathola nale job coaching
urana ubani ihlake asihlale ukuthi ihlake rana ubani kanjani una approacha kanjani ezama former players ukuthi nize njimela futhi
sijimela Bosberg like uLebu angazi ukuthi usalahlangana nama player ngathi bake bahlangana badlala i-tournament and then yeah Mr Lebu uye okhole ama player and then nathi ama player mawufuna ukudlala siyakubuzisa ukuthi coach umuntu osoucela ukuzojima and then they welcome. So sibaningi man ne coach yethu nayi ex player Isaac Shayi. So sibaningi the whole really ama ex players you name them abo Ninja abo Lona abo Mdleze abo Thabiso Ramile abo Skapi Malazi abo Sipho Nunez abo Thusophala abo Mini sibaningi abo Sigobe like uyobona masihlanganisa le history yethu esibamnandi siyajabula lapha.
Ngifuna ukumove to ibhola lamanje ukuthi mawulibukela wena olibheka lishintshe kanjani compared to ibhola leni because mina mangilibukela iSouth African football iye phansi in terms mangibukela ikudala besibukela mina iBlack Leopard idlala neKaizer Chiefs bowubona ukuthi kunama superstars waku Black Leopard uye KZN uyabona ukuthi uGolden Arrows bekuna ubani uthando yise kuboni noma ubani every team beyiba nama big stars but what's the difference between ibhola lakudala namanje? Is it maybe a hunger? What's happening for wena molibheka?
Lapha into engibona githi it was you have yangithola sibe siphiwe bekuyisiphiwe leso mara manje mawujabheka ibhola lamanje it's business, it's all about money now. So lapha thina time lesasidlala esilithanda and belukhona vele enyaweni. So yeah.
Ya nami ngiyayinotice lento abantu sebadlala njengama robots. Khona abantu babona ukuthi there's nothing special about this guy but kuyawathola ama opportunities ukuthi angifuni ukuhlala kwezinye izinto bengiyibona kwamanye ama development, ngifuna nje ukuba positive la because you can buy your way to EPSL.
Ngoba phela mawujabheka phela kunabanye bebalithanda. They have to work hard for it. Balastile. Basadlala abanye mara wena mawuphiwe uyangithola just to go with the flow. So manje is business manje. From kumele manje really start from young.
Sure.
That is why manje sisinama academy uyangithola. So manje kumele uqale from
Ngoba nawe uthe ukhulela nge-academy bakuthola una 17.
Yeah, ngikhulela mara ngidlalile kuma academy School of Excellence. And bengidlala kayi2 School of Excellence naselokishini Thembisa Fighters.
Bokunobani ku School of Excellence because School of Excellence siyazi ukuthi siproduce ama players amaningi, udlale nabo bani?
Mina bengingahlali lapha.
Sure.
Yabo Ninja le group yabo Skilo, abo Ninja abo Pizza Matamati, abo Cakes, you name them. The school
Steven Pienaar udlale naye.
Steven Pienaar udlale kule academy yabo. Thina besidlala like on the other side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so yiyo yangenza ukuthi ngibe busy. Yeah, uyasibala thina lapha besidlala eEastern Park, sub-move eEastern Park saya Captain Park FC. Ilapho after Captain Park FC la sonzoya ku Super Sport under 17. Isasebhalvo.
Balfour Park.
Yeah.
Before Bakhaim Mall. Or beyikhona na then.
Lapha eBalfour Park kunama ground lapha ya.
La Highlands
Park ya base thina bespace lapha ya eBalfour Park. And then ithe mangizosign bebafuna ukungisayina ukuthi ngisayine first team contract and then ithola ukuthi taxi iyangifuna.
Wahamba kanjalo.
Yeah, kwahamba kanjalo.
Asingene kule bhola lamanje. I mean current affairs or indaba zamanje maningi ama play obvious but ngifuna singesiqale kule game le esiyibonile izolo igame enkulu. Kaizer Chiefs versus Steelers. Igame uyibone kanjani or asiqale nje ngomdusha balalo. Umuntu abafuna ukuthi alide Kaizer Chiefs but ke igame azange imfavor izolo. Umbone kanjani performance yakhe?
I-performance lapha I think the best team won, which it was Stellenbosch. Ngoba mawujabheka Kaizer Chiefs, there were a lot of changes. I think angazi ukuthi how the coach will play kanjani igame yayizolo. So but ngibone ngathi there was too much changes. And then they created a lot of chances but they didn't capitalize on my chances wabo. Ngoba sometimes bonakala ukuthi bafuna ukukora bazoyithola but they missed. Then Stellenbosch wona wow. But thola ama chances wabo and then bawasebenzisa and then they were hungry enough for yesterday's game.
So compared to Kaizer Chiefs mawubheka uyabona ukuthi i-Steelers bokuyi-better team deserve vele ukuwin.
Yeah, the way bebayifuna ngakhona izolo because they worked hard. They were fighting for one another. So and then bona thola ukuthi basebenzisa ama chances wabo and then the Chiefs azange convert and then I was like what is happening with Chiefs? Because in midfield and defense it was like what is happening?
They were all over the place.
Yeah. So I saw the different Chiefs. Angazi ukuthi ni preparation yabo or what is happening.
Nje ahlale kumdu uthola 3 golden opportunities and umuntu obheki ukuthi akwazi ukulida iKaizer Chiefs. Is it too much for yena? Nguna 21 22 lapho nje, is it too much or vele kumele akwazi ukuthatha iresponsibility ukuthi ayilide?
Yeah. Kumele athathe iresponsibility ngoba you given a chance so you must make use of it because Chiefs is a bigger brand. So and yeah, ama supporter be expected into the so I think I don't know what happened is all. So kumele forget ngegame yayizolo focus to the ones that are coming.
bayamreplace umduba amreplace ngovilakazi futhi umfana omncane ipressure sometimes iba too much kubafana uyababona kwesinye isikhathi bayakhala even after my game. Do they have the mental capacity yokudlalela iKaizer Chiefs mo babheka abantu abakhala after game?
I think so. They do have because bona mawujabheka the supporters are there. Mabaloko bakushayela amavuvuzela, they push you to the next level to pick up your socks. So yeah, I don't know, man. It's just a matter of time. Isn't it so long? But I don't know how they prepare themselves for my games. Mara ngiyabona potential, and then but now my experienced players, I think they have to push those like this. Abo Vilakazi, so I don't know what is happening. Mabamfaka is doing the job, but yena angayifakeli engqondweni because it's not bigger than the team.
Sure.
The team itself is bigger.
But uzohlala kanjani mebangayifakeli engqondweni? Sike sakhuluma ngalento le off camera ukuthi abantu abaningi bayamfavor, uyatrenda njalo ku TikTok wera wenza kahle, utrenda ngokugibela ibhola kuphela into engasizi team. So leyo nto le ayimlimazi eziplayer.
Yeah, iyo lento le ukuthi angayifakeli inhloko ngoba is trending ku TikTok. Left and right is him, and then he's forgetting ukuthi he has to deliver up a grounding. I don't know nakhona ukuthi a training what he does. So nakhona kumele aforget ngeTikTok asebenza kanzima la natural.
Kune-strike ezu-7 I think uKaizer Chiefs if not 8 because uBatman bona bamdlalisa kwenye position mara nayo traditional number 9 Masizwe. Basayina uMayo, uSilva, Igadaro, Khono, Oduba. What's wrong nge-strikers eKaizer Chiefs because those guys are unstuck. They're failing to score, to convert the chances, or ukuthi maybe in-midfield yakhona ikwazi ukuba create ama-opportunities enough.
Mina ngombono wami ngibona ngathi bona themselves basifaka under pressure. Basifaka under pressure manje angazi ukuthi bamangele ukuthi baku-Chiefs na ngoba manguthi ngiyabheka lapha kumayo i-performance yakhe the time lesale and now manje compare I don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaye, but I think ukuthi kumele ba focus man emsebenzini wabo, kumele ba focus.
So I think league this time around the exciting. I mean nama big threes of South African football siyababona bayigijimisa league ezimnyama inkane ezingamagebhula hleli number 1 and balidwa umfana omncane uRile Mfukeng okwazi ukubakhipha ehlathini noma kumnyama kunjani but uyakwazi ukubakhanyisela. Umbona eziplay linjani elingaba neimpact kangakanani uRile Mfukeng?
Yabona lapha ucoach, I think he's doing a good job lapha. Anyone lapha ucoach the way engiyibona ngakhona is motivating the players. Anyone who can put there is delivering. Is delivering. So yona iPirates yona ngokwayo is up to bona ukuthi how important they want this trophy. Ngoba manje akuna team encane. Every team is giving the best. Is giving the best. Mawubheka abo Richards Bay, abo Arrows nabadi step, abo Polokwane nabayibhekanga iPolokwane. Akuna and futhi lapha kuPolokwane they run for their money. Everyone is bigger than the team. Basebenza kanzima. Akuna best team player lapha. Basebenza kanzima. Uyabona wonke ama team manje adevelopile yo. Adevelopile.
For and then siku Sundowns uThembazwana ubuyile ku-injury but ke akadlali uSundowns ayitholi enough game time. Miguel Cardoso ngathi ukhetha abangale phesheya kakhulu and that has been the argument ukuthi ukhetha ama players wale go South American European players than ama player la South Africa. What's your take leyo nto le?
Lapha into engiyibonayo ukuthi iSundowns has got many players and it's got too much games to play. Ngoba badlala eAfrica, badlala eLeague and then badlala na ku Nedbank. That is why most of the time I think by coach change. And bear in mind ukuthi i-Sundowns travel kakhulu. A week idlala how many games?
Can say maybe my average of 3.
Iceda ukudlala izolo. It's Wednesday and ngathi kumele iye Africa. So when they come back kumele ba focus eligini. So uyabona ukuthi there's so much games and then kumele ba rest amanye ama player. Uthemba I'm glad ukuthi ubuyile. Just manje ukuthi kumele focus ku performance yakhe.
Cabanga ukuthi bafana mele ku World Cup noThemba Zwane.
I think kulama games lawa uZwane he needed most and then he's got the support ku Sundowns, so kumele yena athole i-rhythm yakhe kancane anything can happen. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi phela i-captain ye-squad.
Wena maybe mawubheka ukuthi ubani maybe ongaba nechance yokuthi awine i-league. Siyazi ukuthi kusase early for mina ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi kusase early kakhulu bafethu ukuthi singathi khona bazowina i-league. Khona for the past 8 years khona baqala isizini bathi soyowina i-league njalo bafinish as number 2. Ubani for wena? Ungathi une chance.
Manje phela kusase ne-run eningi. Kusase ne-run eningi and kusazodlala nalezi ziphansi nje for irrigation. So nothing is easy. So you have to work hard until we're gonna see masakusele maybe 4 games. Good, who's gonna win the league, but for now, angakaboni.
Asivaleni bafethu for namhlanje. But singayivala kanjani ngaphandle kokukhuluma ngama co-coaches weKaizer Chiefs? Yabona makuthiwa khona iyoyo. Abantu abangazi ukuthi benzani. I-merry go round. Namhlanje dlala lo, kusasa dlala lo. Kaizer Chiefs ungathola i-man of the match, next game ungadlala. Ama co-coaches yenza kanjani for?
I think i-coach naye phela I don't think he's alone to take a decision in the management. So and then nakhona le traveling now yabashaya na. Bana badlala eAfrica. Manibuya ngapha and then ngama injury, ngama yellow cards, ama suspension. But I think nabo bakumele basiblame ngabo ngoba asazi ukuthi uya kuphi or ngathi ubona amanye ama team uthi namthingenze into esonga ngale ku Chiefs.
So uchaza ukuthi abanayo identity yabo ezi team.
Yeah, I think so. Ngoba ngibonile nayizona i-team abafaka la I don't know ukuthi bekayenzani. Ngoba manje uyithathela phansi ukuthi Nedbank. No. You don't have to do that. And nakhona unawo material. So kumele yena abheke emuva ukuthi yini yenze ukuthi bathole those points. Ngoba manje abheka last year mayicala i-season baqale ngokuwina and then kwaba nenkinga lezabo ukuthi coach what namanje baqale kahle 3 points mawuthole nga-1-1 it means a lot. Namanje baqale kahle kumele baluzile izolo, so manje kumele ba focus ngale lose izolo. They must lift themselves up to kule game ezayo.
If we coach yabafana ulo uPeterson yamselector for iWorld Cup.
Wangifaka ekhoneni lapho. Wangifaka ekhoneni hayi khona.
Mina ezunkulu uGosi ngeke ngimselect. Akunakhona for mina nikusuGosi ngeke ngikuselect mfowethu noma ungayibona le clip. Best number 3 in the country kumele kube uPeterson. I mean it makes sense ukuthi abe khona kubafana.
Yeah.
Ayikazi yenzeka into ekanje in history of South African football ukuthi ube nama clean sheets more than almost wonke abantu ulead but you not national team. Select umuntu okusuwele.
Coach yena unelona. Uyayazi list yakhe. Everyone it means a lot to ala pair. So mina kumele amele chance yakhe.
Hugo Bros uselect uCupido wakuStelies onganawo amagoli. Cupido akana amagoli. Mawubheka ihistory yakhe akana amagoli. Lo coach lo angazi noma kuthiwa unayo list kanje bafowethu. Cupido Stelies bheka amagoli wakhe.
I mean asibone ngokufana ngoba into eningi kumele usibheke when you on the field i contribution yakho yini. ucreate or scoring goals, and then nakhona phela ngithi uyafuna ukwazi ngalo muntu loyo, so angasazi ukuthi yena bamtshela ukuthini. Uyangithola? We don't know ukuthi bamtshelani results zakhe ukuthi zinjani ngale. Uyangithola? So asazi ukuthi ucabangeni, but thina sibona ngifana sithi
Usip okay
ngoba mawujabheka ne yabo kufana nolo uMakgope I think is the best. Ngoba makangena kunento ayenzayo man.
yeah.
Uyabona ukuthi there is something lapha. Mara ngapha mawujabheka akacali ngegame kuPirates uyabona. Naso squad naye banokumfaka isasapu. Mara uyabona ukuthi mara you asking yourself what is happening.
So uMakgopa umthandela ukuthi uyahlupha.
Yeah, uyabona ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani. Eboxing ufuna ukuzibona abe khona lapha eboxing as a striker. And then nabona namatashis wakhona uyalithatha agijimele phambili usifuna eboxing. Uyabona ukuthi there's something wrong. Something is going to happen.
I don't think uMakgopa bad player, but I don't think ukuthi a good striker futhi. Ngicabanga ukuthi umaster lento le ukubonakala ngathi ubusy, yebo? Kanti ake
Yeah, lapho umbono wakho la. Mara mawujabheka uyabona ukuthi hayi lo is hungry for goals.
But he's not scoring those goals.
He is scoring. Uyacreate naye.
Yeah,
Uyacreate.
I think unesifo esifana ne-strikers zakuKaizer Chiefs. Mawungabheka amagoli wakhe this season mancane. I mean for me best striker South Africa uReyners.
Yeah.
Akekho umuntu better and greater than lo muntu lo.
Yeah.
Fana no number 10 wethu, ubest number 10 there's no way ngiselect uSiphombuli ngisho uNdlovu lo Golden Arrows, yabo? Khona ama player wabona ukuthi okay good. But angisho ukuthi I'm not saying akusi bad player, but he's not a good striker. Contribution yakhe kwamanye if bamdlalisa different position, but asazi ukuthi ucoach vele ufunani kuye.
Lapho kumele ubheke istyle se player and then ubheke istyle se team. Uyangithola? Mawubheka i-playing ye-Pirates ifana ne-play yani i-Sundowns and iyafana ne-play yani ne-squad. So uyabona ukuthi ayikho good, and the different style se-Arrows uyabona ukuthi there's a different. So wena mawubona ukuthi okay ne-coach nayo yikho pros makafaka lama player lawa abiza lama player la uyazi ukuthi yena ufuna istyle asiphi. So uyabona ukuthi akuna different lapho.
Sibambe for namhlanje ungayithanda ungayivala ufuna ukuyivala kubantu kanjani asibambe laba futhi siphethule Rato Shabangu. All you need is love. Now amagama wakho ogcina lapha umfowethu.
Hayi thank you ngiyabonga kuza nkululeko ngiyabonga for ukungibiza Machita. Cela ni supporteni lona
Omni Audio.
Yeah. On audio. Yeah.
Making sure ukuthi nisithola la njalo.
Yeah.
If khona icontent oyibukelayo yebhola kwamanye ama channel wenzani noma ufuna ukubuyela opapa wawa labantu laba bavele manje abana 2 years bathi ba support ibhola but babizwa ngama best fans in the country. Ngaze ucabanga kanjani? Cela uyibamba la manje.
Ayo.